For the repair of the electronic board, the following procedures were necessary. Replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, we use a 24-volt DC power supply and a LED indicator. When we connect the board to the power supply, the LED lights up, indicating that it is responding accordingly. No further testing is possible due to the absence of additional units. It is now clear that the electronic card is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the client.